Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Beauteque Monthly for August. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just received August beauty box. I didn't get the Mask Maven, and I went back to my emails and I only had tracking for my beauty box. So I went into my account and apparently last month it expired, but they don't send an email to let you know. So I had to resubscribe. So this month I'm doing my beauty box solo until next month when I can get them both together again. So let's go ahead and get in here and let's see. It feels kind of hefty. I don't know what's all in here, but it feels a little hefty duty this time. So let's see what our August box has in stored. So cut the tape, open it up. And then when you open it up, there is the card right on top. This box does go over all of the pricing in the card, where the Mask Maven, I always tell you guys, doesn't. This month's theme is Under the Sea, August. That is so cool. I know one time they did like an Under the Sea. I think it was like my first or second box that I ever got with them, like over 2.5 years ago. And it was the cutest theme, my favorite theme ever that they have done. So hopefully this one, since it's ocean, you know, like beachy theme, maybe this one will be good too. I don't know, I can't see inside. So let me go ahead and open this up so we can get ready to talk about all of the different prices that are on there. Oh, it looks like if you saw that quickly, we have a makeup brush. I think I've only received one other makeup brush from them before, but there's a sticker that says Wish Upon a Star, and it's already kind of ripped open, but that's what it looks like. That looks like olive oil. It's for your hair. Head and hair olive. Looks like cooking oil. So there's that. I think this is going to be an interesting box, but I don't think it's going to be as good as I was hoping that it was going to be. But I think it's going to be an interesting box. So let's just go with this first thing that I saw right on top. Even the lid looks funky. It's getting funky. It's getting funky. So it says Moisture Lock, Head and Hair Olive, Pearl Memory, Hair Water Essence. So what are you? This thing doesn't stick. It's just like a little flap. It says Moisture Lock. Oh, you can just take that part right off. Cool. Okay, so let's figure out what this is. There's the product. This is valued for $9.99. It says why we love it. Tangled hair? Don't need to care with this olive oil extract hair mist. Not only is this product great as a hair detangler and hair relaxer, but it's extremely beneficial for your scalp health and can be used as a heat protectant. That seems really cool. How to use: spray evenly on wet or dry hair. Star ingredients to promote hair growth, mist directly on the scalp and massage for 3 to 5 minutes. That is awesome. All right, so I'm actually excited about this. So there must be a lid. Yeah, I'm like, what is that top? There. You need the top on there, Tracy. Okay, now that I got it in there, let me see how it smells. Let me just spray this really quick, because I just want to see how it's going to smell like in your hair. Ooh, it has a nice refreshing scent. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that, thinking like I still have olive oil on the brain with this. But that has a really nice scent to it. Ooh, I like that. And especially if you can use it for a heat protectant as well. So I'm definitely interested in trying that. So then the next item right here is we have 99% Deep Marine Collagen Soothing Gel. And I believe we get these normally like in the summer, and they're very good to use like on sunburns. So these are really good, especially if you have kids in the house that are running around outside. Put this on their cheeks or their arms and legs when they get inside, and they'll feel a lot better. So this right here is valued at $12.99. With a high concentration of hydrolyzed marine collagen and botanical ingredients, this lightweight anti-aging gel leaves you feeling fresh and hydrated without sticky leftover film. Applied both in the morning and night or after your cleanser or toner. So this isn't exactly what I was thinking it was, but I'm sure it could still be used for that because it's just like a soothing gel. So it helps to make your skin feel nice and soothed. So So there's that. Oh, and then here's even a lid. I get more products if I keep looking, or I complete it anyway. Okay, so the next thing is in this package right here. This says valued at $12, Real Fit Lip and Cheek in the color of orange. That's a cute little package because it's just this, but it's on this cardstock. So this says, why we love it. Kiss your haters goodbye. I wish it was that easy. With this long-lasting, high-definition lip and cheek tint. Use Village 11 Real Fit Lip and Cheek Tint containing coral pigments to create that beach sun-kissed look. You can use it as an eyeshadow to create a foxy look even. So this is a little multi-use product here in an orange color. So I will save this to go for one of you guys because I don't use anything on my cheeks or anything like that. And I barely use anything on my lips. So hopefully one of you guys will enjoy that and get a sun-kissed look with it. So then now let's go over the brush. This is valued at $6 and it's a mermaid makeup brush. Why we love it. With ultra soft bristles and durable handles, this dazzling 3D tail shaped brush will make you want to sing under the sea when applying your makeup. This mermaid brush is ideal to apply liquid, powder, or cream cosmetics. So that's what that looks like. Very nice and soft, and it looks like a rose gold, kind of like little bate on it. So there's that. Now we have is a item here. It's by 16 brand. It's called Candy Rock Pearl Powder. And this looks like it is a makeup item. Every now and then we do tend to get some makeup items. It's rare, maybe once or twice out of the entire year. This looks like it is a loose pigment. It says with smooth application and no fallout, this highly pigmented pearl shadow adds an extra sparkle to your eyes. Use a brush applicator and apply around eye area to create your desired look. So I'll go ahead and stick this in a future giveaway for one of you guys as well because I don't use loose pigments. So there's that guy, and this is valued at $8.05. So the last item that we have today is the mask. And normally we can get a sheet mask, we can get a butt mask, we can get a foot mask, we can get a hand mask. You get any type of mask. And this time we have a lip mask. This is valued at $5. This is Nature Republic Aqua Collagen Solution Marine Hydrogel Lip Patch. With dry, cool weather heading our way, not in Florida, hydrating lip care is a must-have for your skincare routine. This lip patch is an intense moisturizing treatment infused with marine collagen ingredients that will help soften and smooth dry lips. So that is everything that came in August's beauty box. We have the lip patch, we have the loose pigment eyeshadow, we have a lip, cheek, and eyeshadow orange product. We have a deep marine collagen soothing gel. We have a mermaid brush, makeup brush. And then we have this that I'm really excited about is the Olive Pearl Memory Hair Water Essence Spray. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's beauty box and the items that came inside? Sorry I didn't have my Mask Maven sidekick today, but that'll be back next month. So if you want to know a little bit more about Beauteque Monthly, this particular one is $24 per month if you just do month to month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $23. And if you do 12 months at one time, it brings it to $22 per box, and shipping is in addition. With this, you get 6 full-size products delivered to your door, receiving an assortment of skincare, makeup, body and hair care, and much more. Starts as low as $22 if you do the all-in 12-month prepaid plan. Then Mask Maven is $15 a month if you do month to month, $14 if you do 6 months, and $13 if you do 12 months. Shipping is in addition as well. That one you will get 9 unique hand-picked sheet masks delivered to your door. You might also get, instead of just sheet masks, you might get a variation of wash-off masks, eye and lip patches, hair masks, and more. But it's mainly just face sheet masks that you get in them, and I really, really love them. They're the cutest packaging, and I just love sheet masks. And if you order by the 15th of the month, you will get that month. So if you order this by the 15th of September, you will get September's box, but it won't arrive until like the very beginning of October because Beauteque Monthly ships at the very end of the month. So we normally get it the first week of the following month. So they give you up until the 15th of that month to order that same month. And then after the 15th, if you order after that, you'll get the following month after that. So that is everything that I have to show you about my Beauteque Monthly Beauty Box. Again, comment down below. What did you think of this month? Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.